Hi guys, it's Kristie from the Hunter Valley. I've driven down early this morning to come and see the guys at AutoCraze. I've been watching all the AutoCraze YouTube videos, Instagram posts, all that sort of stuff, trying to go through what I want done to my car. Super excited to see what it's going to turn out like, hoping it's not going to be cute like it is now. I'm off to explore Cronulla Beach for the day. I'll come back at the end and see what the AutoCraze team has done.
As you can see, the car's up on the hoist behind me. We've taken the stock wheels off. Matty behind me is working on the suspension with the rear leaves being removed and the new leaves been put in. The front end's all out, being prepped for the rival bar to go on.
Hey guys, it's Matt from AutoCraze Caringbah. Today we've got the Dobinson IMS suspension kit going to the Ford Ranger here. It's going to be a really good lift. We've got some comfort springs in the rear, as well as some heavy duty springs for the front to counteract for the rival bar.
G'day everyone, my name is Jason. Welcome to AutoCraze in Caringbah, and today we have a PX3 on delivery. We've just fitted a rival bar to this spectacular vehicle. It's getting taped up for the sensors on the side, parking sensors. We've only got a few more items to do. We've got to cut the grille, fit the rest of the suspension, and yeah, take on from there. Hey guys, I'm just finishing putting the rubbers on these EGR flares. Another wonderful addition you can have to your PX3. This one's Pride Orange, a really great colour, I really like it, and we'll go whack it on now.
What's up guys, it's Junior from AutoCraze. We've wrapped up a PX3. Done, dusted, finished, next level, leveled up, the works. This came in stock standard, you saw it at the start of the video. So it was Kristie's idea to pick the Rockstars for the wheels. Everything else, she was like, hey Junior, tell me how it's done. So we ran with the Falken MT01s because she wanted a tough, aggressive look while she's on road, plus more function while she's off road. On the car, we've gone with some color-coded EGR flares, but to make this bad boys fit, we've had to give it a 2-inch Dobinson's lift kit with a comfort set of leaves on the rear because she doesn't carry a load. To allow her to get in and out of the car easier, we put some electric side steps that help her climb in and out, and they're hooked up with some LEDs, so at night they'll light up like daylight. We didn't forget the back end of the car. To add the final touches, we got her some smoked LED taillights. As she requested, she wanted to black out parts of the car. This is, for me, the perfect touch. So Kristie was chasing a very tough front end. She's like, hey Junior, what do you reckon? I've got this bar, that bar in my mind. I said, stop right there. I've got the bar for you. The Rival 4x4 bar is tough, sturdy, reinforced, and it looks the goods, minus all the hoops. For more vision at night, we've hooked her up with some Lightforce XDX driving lights. They have a combination of an LED ring around, which gives you your spot, and then a HID center that gives you your spread. So Kristie hasn't seen the car yet. She just showed up. We've had the car the whole day. She's been jumping up and down. She's been waiting for about 5 weeks to get this done. I'm gonna go get her and let's see what she says.
Oh, that is amazing. Look at it. Wow.
We have called her the Phoenix.
I think
that's
it
gonna
suits
burn
it.
through the streets of wherever you go.
Wow. Look how big it looks. Look how big it looks. There's going to be nothing else like this in Newcastle at all. That looks that good.
In New South Wales, in Australia, all over. This is the one off.
Wow. It's better than what I thought. Well, I just looked at it. Oh, yes!
It's a wrap. It's a wrap on my part, but the customer has something to say.
Totally amazed. A lot better than what I ever expected. It's been hard trying to figure out what I wanted, but Jeannie's helped. We've gone through a few options, and this tough rig is the result. Thanks AutoCraze and the team.